Hello, Assalamu alaikum, it's me Sabina with my April 2023 newsletter video blog summary. This month I continued to heal from the shoulder surgeries and treatment that I had in 2017, 18 and January 22, and I'm learning to live with the pain in my right shoulder. I participated in Fairtrade Ethical Ramadan 2023 and tried to post a Fairtrade product every single fast. It was my 11th consecutive year supporting and participating in the 6 Items Challenge 2023 with Labour behind the label. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to recording another newsletter video blog for you next month. Bye for now. Wa alaikum assalam.